Welcome to CareU Animation. Today, we're discussing a topic that affects us all deeply, the way we use our mobile phones. Stay with me till the end, because I'm going to reveal something essential that will completely change how you think about your mobile habits. Mobile phones are undeniably powerful tools. They allow us to stay connected, access vast amounts of information, and simplify daily tasks. However, for many of us, they've become a source of distraction and wasted time. It's easy to get sucked into mindless scrolling or binge-watching endless streams of videos. But the question we need to ask ourselves is, are we using our phones to benefit our lives, or are they controlling us? Let's break this down with examples. How we waste time. Example 1. The endless scroll. You pick up your phone to check a quick notification, and before you know it, 45 minutes have passed. You've scrolled through social media feeds, watched short videos, and maybe even clicked through some memes. The problem here is not the entertainment, but the time you lose that could have been used for something far more meaningful. Example 2. Binge-watching content. Streaming platforms and short video apps are designed to keep you hooked. It's not uncommon to start watching one video and end up hours later having consumed dozens, with no clear value added to your life. These platforms are crafted to hold your attention, making it hard to break free once you're in. Example 3. Superficial connections. Texting and liking posts on social media can give the illusion of staying connected, but in reality, these are often shallow interactions. Instead of meaningful conversations, we settle for quick likes and comments, missing the deeper connections that can truly enrich our relationships. How we can use mobiles for maximum benefits. Now, let's flip the script and explore how your phone can be a force for good in your life. Example 1. Learning on the go. Imagine using the same time you waste scrolling on social media to expand your knowledge or learn a new skill. Whether it's through apps like Coursera, Udemy, or even YouTube tutorials, you can turn your phone into a personal learning hub. Every moment spent learning is an investment in your future. Whether it's mastering a language, picking up coding, or learning business strategies, your mobile can become a gateway to personal growth. Example 2. Strengthening relationships. Instead of texting or liking someone's post, use your phone to build genuine relationships. Video calls, voice notes, and heartfelt messages can create real connections. For example, a 5-minute call with a friend or family member can foster closeness and understanding in ways that superficial social media interactions simply can't. Your phone can be a bridge to stronger relationships if you use it with purpose. Example 3. Productivity and self-improvement. Your phone has endless resources to boost productivity. Apps like Trello, Notion, or even the simple reminders feature can help you organize your life and make the most of your time. Use it to set goals, track your habits, or even meditate. Imagine using your phone to become more focused, organized, and productive in your personal and professional life. Example 4. Staying informed and educated. Instead of consuming random content, why not use your phone to stay informed about things that matter? Following credible news outlets, subscribing to educational podcasts, or reading books through mobile apps can help you stay aware and informed about the world, fueling your personal and intellectual growth. Example 5. Health and fitness. Your phone can be a great motivator for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Apps that track your steps, monitor your sleep, or guide you through workout routines can turn your phone into a fitness partner. Instead of lying down watching videos, a fitness challenge or guided meditation could make your phone usage a tool for improving your physical and mental well-being. Conclusion: take control of your time. So, what's the key takeaway? Your phone is only as powerful as how you choose to use it. If you allow it to suck you into a vortex of endless scrolling and superficial interactions, you'll waste time and disconnect from what truly matters. But if you consciously use it to learn, grow, connect meaningfully, and improve your life, it becomes one of the most valuable tools at your disposal. The choice is yours. Will you let your phone waste your time, or will you use it to create a better version of yourself? Thank you for watching. Now it's time to reflect on your mobile habits and decide how you want to use this powerful tool moving forward.